Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will focus on how to use the order by clause inside of a select statement. In my previous videos, I've explained how to make use of the select from, which is compulsory when you want to display in data that's contained inside of a table. We then looked at how to restrict data in a table, making use of the where clause. And in this video, the primary focus will be on how to sort data in a table based on a particular field. And in this case, we use the order by clause. We will look at how to sort information on a primary key. And we will also look at how to sort information on both a primary and a secondary key. So as I indicated, we make use of the order by clause, or rather the order by keyword. And when we say order by, it means we are sorting. And sorting can take place either in ascending order. That means the data will be sorted from lowest to highest. Or it can be in descending order, in which case the data will be sorted from highest to lowest on a specific field. If we look at the syntax, this is your select from compulsory. Optional is your where clause, and then follows the order by. If you include the where clause, then take note that the order by comes after the where. If we examine the order by closely, you are going to order by, in other words, you're going to sort based on some primary column or primary field. You can also sort on a secondary field. This usually takes place when you have duplicates that are found on your primary field, then the secondary field is then sorted. In your order by, you can specify whether you want to sort in ascending order or you want to sort in descending order. As we indicated, ascending is lowest to highest, and descending is highest to lowest. If you omit both ascending and descending, then sorting will automatically by default be in ascending order. The table structure that we will be using for all the examples in this video is the TBL actors, and it contains the fields actor ID, the actor name, actor surname, the date of birth, the age, the cell number, is local, and the annual earnings. And the records that are contained inside of these tables, there are 4 records, and these are the 4 records. So let's go straight into the examples and see how we make use of the order by to sort information in our table. In the first example, we want to display the actor details, and it should be sorted by the actor name, and they tell us it should be in ascending order. So that's fairly straightforward. I want to say select star from TBL actors. That's my compulsory part. That will give me all the records. And for all the records, I want to say order by, which means sort by the actor name, and I want that in ascending order. As I indicated, by default, it will sort in ascending order. So this ASC can be omitted, and it will automatically sort in ascending order. If we look at the actor name field, and if we look at how the names will be displayed, the details for all of these actors, you will notice that it is in ascending order from lowest, starting with E and going to the highest, that ending with W. In the second example, display all the actor details, sorted again by the actor name, but this time we want it in descending order. Similar to the previous example, we will say select star from TBL actors. Order by, the field we are sorting on is actor name, but this time round we want to sort in descending order. So we expect pretty much the opposite from the previous example. If we look at what's displayed, you will notice this time round we've got Winnie, which starts with W, that's our first record, and the last record, EO, which starts with an E. So that is in descending order. In the next example, display all the actor details alphabetically, having the actor names from A to Z. So they're not explicitly telling us ascending or descending, but the fact that they want it from A to Z, immediately that would tell us that we want the information in ascending order, and it is based on the actor names. So we would say select star from TBL actors, order by actor name, ASC for ascending, or we could even omit that and it will automatically display that in ascending order. That is the same as we had in the first example. In the next example, display all the actor details sorted in descending order, and we want it to be sorted on the annual earnings. So to sort the information in descending order of the annual earnings, we will then say select star from TBL actors, order by, and the field we are now ordering by is annual earnings, and we want it in descending order. If we look at our output, in this case, you will see that the annual earnings are from highest to lowest. In the next example, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a sort on a primary and a secondary key. So I have now added a second record, an additional record into the table. Previously, we had only 4 records. Now you will notice that there are 2 Tigers. So the first Tiger has the actor name Tigger, and the actor surname is Tiger. And the second Tigger, which is the new record that I've added, the actor name is Tigger, and the actor surname is Jones. So we're going to see how primary and secondary fields will be sorted in the example to come. So here, display all the actor details alphabetically in order of the actor name. So we are sorting alphabetically in order of the actor name. If the names are same, so they're telling us if we have 2 actor names that are the same, then we need to sort in descending order of the surname. So you'll notice that the sorting primarily needs to take place on the actor name. So that is my primary key. My primary key is where sorting will take place on the actor name. And then if the name has duplicates, if we have 2 records with the same name, then we are going to sort on the surname, which now becomes your secondary field on which we are sorting. And in the first case, alphabetically, and here alphabetically, the assumption is it's going to be A to Z. So A to Z means ascending order. And then for the secondary key, it should be in descending order. To do something like that, we would say select star from TBL actors. And then the primary key, we are sorting it on the actor name in ascending order. And only if there are duplicates in the actor name, then it will look at the actor surname, and it will sort that in descending order of the actor surname. So if we look at the output, in this case, remember, we created two triggers. So the sorting takes place on the actor name. There we are. So you'll notice that is sorted according to the actor name. But for these two records where the actor name is the same, then only sorting takes place on the actor surname. And that will take place in descending order. Therefore, Tiger appears before Jones. You should take note that if there are no duplicates in the actor name, which is your primary key, then the secondary key is totally ignored. The secondary key where sorting takes place only comes into effect when you have duplicates in the primary key. So that's how you would work with a primary and a secondary field when you are sorting. In the next example, display all the actor details of actors who are local. So we want only the local actors, and we want them in ascending order of their first name. So immediately you have to realize that you are displaying all the details, but you only want the local actors. So to get only the local actors, we're going to need to restrict our data. So that means a where clause is going to come in. In this case, we are going to say select star from TBL actors. That will give us all the actor details. Where is local, that's the field, is local equals true. So when is local equals true, it's only going to give us those actors that are local. And when it displays those actors, it's going to display them. In other words, it's going to order by in terms of the actor name, and it's going to give it to us in ascending order. And if we have to display that, you will notice is local. We are only getting three of the actors were local. And for those, it's all going to be sorted by the actor name. So if we look at the actor names, we've got Piglet, Tigger, and Tigger. And if we wanted, we could have had a secondary key to say how we wanted to deal with the duplicates. So this is an example where we made use of a where and an order by. And take note that when you use the where comes before the order by. That concludes the video. I leave you with a very profound statement that was made by Steve Jobs, where he states, "We're here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why else even be here? I hope that you can make your positive dent, no matter how big or small that is, that you leave your mark in this universe." Thank you for watching my series. I hope to see you again in the next video. For now, bye.